Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video to help somebody design this around a path. And I said in the video that I got lucky and it just happened to be worked out. So if you don't want to be lucky, you want to do it with math. I've got 3 items. So I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to hold down my control button and I'm going to get it close to the edge. We'll look at it on the zoom. And I'm pretty close. I'm going to change my nudge factor. 0.01, I'm going to nudge. Let's go 0.001. Nudge it up just a hair. Then let's take the Christmas tree and hit P, holding down the control button so it'll stay on that line. And for the video, I'm going to call it good enough. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to put it the rotation to the center. I'm going to rotate it 15 degrees. Same thing with the star. Hold down the control button and get it close, but I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees. Now we have 3 items. Let's get rid of our I was using these for indexing lines just to verify. And now let's take these and group them together, Control G. Rotate it to the center. Should have actually made a copy, Control D. And now let's rotate it 45 degrees. Control D. So now they're evenly spaced out. I didn't get lucky, I was using math. And you could do that with any item. Just think about how many you've got and, divide 45 by 3 is 15 degrees. So I could have made them closer together or whatever. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.